In this video, I'll detail how to set alarm on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you want to set up alarm on your Samsung Galaxy device, maybe for important assignment or to wake you as early as possible or to call your attention to anything on your phone at a particular time, then this video is going to walk you through. If at the end of this video you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to set alarm on Samsung Galaxy phone, all you just need to do is open the clock application, and if you cannot find the clock application on your Samsung phone, just come to search and search for clock. Then open it. Then here, the first thing you're going to see is alarm, and if you are not on the alarm page, make sure you click alarm at the bottom left, like this. Then if you have any existing alarm, you see the alarm here, otherwise you see no alarms. Now, to set up alarm on your Samsung Galaxy phone, just come here and click on the plus icon. Then select when you want the alarm to start. If you want alarm for 7 a.m. in the morning, select it. If you want it for p.m., choose it. If you want it for maybe 7:50, just use this to select the time. Then you also want to choose when you want this alarm to beep. If you want it throughout the week, that's every Monday, or you want it only on Sunday, so that you just need to come here and turn on Sunday and disable every others. But if you want it throughout the week, just make sure you check everything and you see that you have your alarm for every day. Now you can give this alarm a name, so go ahead and give your alarm a name. Then scroll down again. Alarm sound, you may choose to change this by clicking on alarm sound. Then choose your alarm sound here or increase the alarm volume here. Then hit the power button. Then scroll up. You may choose to enable vibration or disable it. Then in this case, do you want to turn on snooze or not? If you want to turn on snooze, enable this or disable it. Or turn on snooze after how many minutes? Or set the custom. Then after that, hit the back button. And then this is the alarm background. You may choose to change it or delete it. Then once you're done, come down here and click on the save button. Once you hit the save button, you should see the alarm set on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So that's how you can easily set alarm on Samsung phone. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.